Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your shift boot, and it should be pretty simple. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. First thing you're going to do is take off your shift knob. Most shift knobs you just twist them out to the left. Mine is a universal one, pretty cheap one. I'm just going to undo this thing, take this thing out, put it somewhere safe, and then take out this little thing right here. Just kind of hard. Not really though. Yeah. Okay, that's off. You take that thing off. And then what you're gonna do is try to look for the panels around the shift boot. In my car, it's pretty simple, and I'm guessing it should be the same for other cars too. For mine, all you're gonna do is just pull this up, this little center console up, and then for mine you just disconnect the cigarette lighter over here. Which has been kind of hard. Let me just do that real quick. Okay, this is gonna have a small clip on the side of it right there, and that's it. And then you just pull it up like that, and you're gonna see your shifter right here. Okay, and then once you have this out, I'm gonna flip it over, and you're gonna see that it has a little metal thing around it, pretty tight. And then it's gonna have these little things, plastics, that hold it into place. For mine, you just kind of bend it. It's just metal, shouldn't affect that much. You do that on all sides, and then you're gonna get your shift boot. Inside there's gonna be some metal, kind of metal going around it. Let's see. It should be just pretty simple. I don't know. Okay, so my bad. Mine already had the little metal thing going around it already in the shift boot. It was stitched in there pretty good. But I remember that on the original one, it was just a metal thing going around it. So if you do have that, you might have to reuse it, which isn't a big deal. You just put it back on here how it was on the original one. But the thing you're gonna have to do is flip your shift boot not upside down, inside out, and then you're gonna see another metal thing which is holding the top piece in place. This is where this thing goes. Alright, so you're gonna flip it around, turn it inside out, and then take this metal thing from your original shift boot and put it back on your aftermarket one. After you do that, you're going to do the same process but backwards. I'm going to flip this thing around. If I can do it with one hand, shouldn't be that hard, should it? It is kind of hard. Just a second. Right. You flip it around. Which is getting a bit annoying. Not too bad though. Still trying to get this done. Oh my god. It's harder than I thought. Okay, so that should be good. Okay. Put it back how it was. Looks kind of messed up. Okay. Anyways. Put it back how it was. Put it back on the little plastic clips holding it like this. And then you put it back on here. And I'll show you guys how to do that in a bit. Alright. So now that I finally got this thing on here, all you're going to do is put it back on those clips, the plastic ones, and make sure it's pretty good on there. Then you're going to do the same thing backwards. You're going to put this thing in here, make sure it goes in with the little thing, connect your cigarette lighter right in there. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Seems kind of hard. Alright. It's just gonna click and put this plastic trim on there. Make sure everything's good. This thing's gonna be pretty good in there. This should be as well. Then you're gonna put on your shift knob, which in most cases you should just screw on here. Mine is an aftermarket one, pretty cheap one, but it has kind of a different process. So, and I have a video on that, so if you want to watch it, check out my channel. And that's it. If this helps someone, please subscribe. I have a few more videos that I want to show to people that I've been working on. I've been doing quite a bit of things to the Celica. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a great day.